In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to change your player size in Minecraft Java Edition in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Keep in mind that you have to allow the cheats on your wall to use this command. So let's get started. First of all, go and write slash attribute. Then you can choose Alt S or your player name. In my case, I'm going to use my player name. Then search for generic dot scale, as you can see right here. Then add the base comment set, and your player default size is 1. If you want to make your skin more bigger, you can just write any number more than 1. Let's go with the 5 as example, and as you can see right here, my player size has been changed to a very big size. Let's try to make it very small. Let's write again the command, but this time 0.0, 0.1, as you can see right now. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.